Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. And today the video number is 595. So I have uploaded multiple videos. So I've started my journey like how I've started with a very less belief and just trying to basically do the action. So that is very visionary thing which I've done and which I have basically able to consistently work on this because sometimes I basically missed a lot of uploading the videos, but still I am able to basically slowly working on. So apart from this, I just basically do a lot of listening practice nowadays because I feel like that is something which I need to more focus on because if you don't have anything in your mind, so how can you speak? So that is as simple as that. So for that, I basically waking up early at 5 o'clock and just watching cricket match. So that is my excuse, and so I can do multiple thing as well. But still, there is lot of people who are watching it, and so what I do is like for learning English is just switch my audio to English. Basically, switching the language to English, there is a lot of options coming up, right? So that is how basically you can get your minds that you are spending your time in English language as well. So because like in Hindi, it is very easy and it feels amazing. Like you can basically grab the commentator what he's trying to say. You can basically engage himself as well, but in English it is very difficult to understand sarcasm and such as like Australian cricketers are also basically most of the time speak English basically, and they are using some sort of idioms which is very difficult to understand for a beginner who are basically started his journey in English language. So I also find out very difficulties, but still there is no subtitles. Like in the videos, we can see subtitles, and so in like live commentary, it is very difficult. So yeah, so from the beginning, I found out like it is very difficult to understand them. Just change the language, but then I remember that if the initial days you will face some sort of difficulties, but in the middle of the time you in the mid of the time you found out you have the guts and you have cleared the half halfway of your goals. So that is how like most of the peoples do, such as like if you believing in yourself, so you can basically done 50% of achieve your goal. Basically that is how like today evening as well. So I want to like express like Sam Contest, who is a very a great player. Like he didn't care about like what other people think, so just trying to scoop a lot of to the Indian pacer and who is dominating this cricket world, and so still he's able to uh, able to basically do uh, pressing pressureful work for bowlers because he have actually done that and he just playing his skills. So yeah, that is the first day, first test. So upcoming days we will see a lot of exciting things to be happen. So I never find out like today one thing also happened that Virat Kohli done is pretty amazing. He never done done that before. I think so. I never seen it before, but he have that face. He have faced that, so that's why he is doing that. So that is as simple as that. So there is nothing like who have started from the like there is nothing like Virat Kohli oriented. That is all oriented by the Australians. So yeah, on this video that is it. I hope you find it helpful. So bye bye. Have a good day.